Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to be making a real life face video. I'm so excited to be making this kind of video. It's been a while I made a video like this where I actually have to show my face. But today I am here with an amazing recipe. We're going to be making coconut cake, and I've always wanted to make this video, and I thank God I am here to make it today. I am going to start by introducing my ingredients. Here I have flour, sugar, butter, baking powder, coconut milk, eggs, flavor. I'm just going to start by separating my eggs. I'm just going to show you the method I'll be using here. Always ensure you wash your hand before you do this. My hands are already washed, so you can fresh eggs, please. Fresh eggs. So this is what I do. So I'm just going to put the yolk here and the white here. I'll separate it. Another way to separate your egg is by using this device over here. You just break your egg into this. It would hold the yolk, and the egg white will just fall off. Now I'm done washing my hands. The next step is to cream my butter. I'm going to start by creaming my butter. I'm going to cream it until it's light and fluffy. It's light and fluffy now, so I'm going to add my sugar. I'm just going to dump it into it and cream further. So now we're going to start incorporating our egg yolk. So I'm going to add this egg one at a time while mixing. Here I have my flour already sifted, so now I'm going to sieve my baking powder. This is the reason why you have to sieve your baking powder in case of lumps. Now I'm going to mix my milk with my coconut milk. The coconut milk is so creamy and nice. Into this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut flavor. This is very concentrated, so I'm just gonna mix it up. Ooh, I can smell the coconut. The mixing process is quite similar to my vanilla cake recipe. So I'm just gonna pour in the flour and the baking powder mixture, starting with the dry ingredients and ending with the dry ingredients. I'm incorporating it with my milk. So you can go about it this way by using your spatula, or you can use your mixer on low speed. The reason why we alternate between flour and milk is because if you just dump the milk into the mixture, you're gonna find out that the mixture would separate. Because you have butter in it, it's going to separate from the liquid milk. Now I'm going to pour in my egg whites. Then a little bit of cream of tartar. This is half teaspoon. So it's at stiff peak. Now I'm going to start incorporating my egg whites into the batter. You don't need to use a mixer for this. You can just fold it in. You can do it in 2 batches. I usually do it in 3 batches. I know this rule seems cliche, but you're going to turn it one way, then the last batch. Can you see how fluffy the batter is? So soft, smooth. Most coconut cake seems very hard because they have to put the desiccated coconut into the batter, and it makes it a little harder. But you can totally have a very moist and fluffy coconut cake without it being so hard. Can you see the batter? The first method is to pour it the way it is into the pan. For the second method, I'm going to pour it and I'm going to put a bit of desiccated coconut into it. Okay, this is my desiccated coconut. I'm using like half spoon. I like to put this sparingly because if you put too much of it, your cake would be hard. So I just stir it into the batter. It's not going to be at the top, it's going to be inside of it. This is for whoever is eating this to feel the coconut inside. Well, guess what? I like more. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it. Let me taste the butter. Yummy. Absolutely yummy. Let me throw that away before YouTube police catch me. For these, I'm going to be using baked coconut flakes, something like this. This is one of our products. The same taste, it's the same taste and quality, just that this is like desiccated coconut size, so you can use it for your coconut cake. I need a new skewer for this, so I'm just going to mix it up, ensure it incorporates properly. This has coconut flavor and coconut milk. This has everything here with desiccated coconut, and this has everything here and coconut flakes. This is going into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it gets out of the oven. For this cake, I cut the front and back so you can see what the inside looks like, and I also like to cut it personally. Then I frosted the top with whipped cream. After frosting the top, I had to sprinkle a little bit of desiccated coconut on top of it to represent a coconut cake. Then the last one, I sprinkled coconut flakes on top of it. You know, the last one, we had to put the coconut flakes inside of it. After tasting the three of them, starting with the first one by the left, after eating of the frosting, the cake itself tasted like vanilla cake. I tasted a little bit of coconut, but it wasn't like coconut. Maybe because I couldn't feel the desiccated coconut inside of it. But for the second one that has the desiccated coconut inside of it, yes, I could feel that little crunch of the coconut, and it felt like coconut inside of it. So, which was really amazing and yummy. Now, for the last one, which had coconut flakes inside of it, tasted more like coconut cake because I could eat the coconut, I could feel it. It tasted really sweet, it tasted really nice, because I think because it's coconut flakes, the whole milk has not been extracted. It's everything is still intact, and it's yummy, fluffy, soft, and they all tasted really good. So if I would recommend, I would recommend number 2 and number 3. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's educative. Leave a comment if you're going to try it. Get back to me if you did and how it tasted. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye for now.